Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Only Pharmacy. So we have to study what is the research. First of all, we have to know about research means it combines with two words, re and search. Re means do it again. Search means investigate or to look for. Now the definition of research is defined as creation of a new knowledge and or the use of extending knowledge to create new things. In simple word, creating new data analysis or anything which is new is called as research. Example, creating vaccine for coronavirus. It is one type of research. So now we have question, what is the main purpose of research? So let's discuss. It is a tool for building knowledge and facilitating learning. It is also used to understand issue and increases public awareness. It is the tool for collecting and analyzing the information which is get by the research. Fourth one, helps to supporting and rejecting existing hypotheses and theories, which is we are used generally or it is correct or not can be described by our research. So there are 6 types of main research. First, quantitative research. The quantitative research is also called as numerical data, or the numerical data research could be followed in a quantitative research. Second type is basic research. Basic research involves improving theories which is already in the subject. Third one is the applied research. Applied research is also called as the solve the practical problem. Means the where is the practical problem comes, there is comes the applied research. Now the longitudinal research, it means collect data from number of groups. It involves in a longitudinal research. Now the qualitative research, collecting, analyzing and interpreting non-numerical data is called as qualitative. So we already studied quantitative research. Quantitative research is deals with numerical data, but the qualitative research is deals with non-numerical data. Lastly, the descriptive research. Descriptive research is also called as survey, which we done during the day-to-day life is called as a descriptive research. Thank you for watching videos and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel Only Pharmacy. Press the like button and bell button. Thank you.